Welcome back, tech aficionados, to another exciting episode of Product Critique, your ultimate destination for the latest in cutting-edge technology. Today, we have something that's bound to get every PC enthusiast's heart racing: the Corsair HX1500i from the HXI series. This powerhouse of a power supply is ready to take your gaming rig to the next level. Stick around for the next 5 minutes, and we'll dive into the details of this beast. Let's kick things off with the basics. The Corsair HX1500i is a fully modular power supply unit, which means you can connect only the cables your system needs. This not only reduces clutter but also makes building your dream PC a breeze. One notable feature is the inclusion of not one, not two, but 3 EPS12V connectors. That's right. It's designed to be fully compatible with modern motherboards, even those demanding high levels of power. Now, let's talk about cooling. The HX1500i features a 140mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. But here's the kicker: it delivers not only excellent cooling performance but does so while remaining extremely quiet. Say goodbye to noisy power supplies interrupting your gaming sessions. Corsair doesn't stop at just hardware. They've also provided powerful software support. With the Corsair iQ software, you can create custom fan curves, monitor power settings, and even toggle between single to multi-rail overcurrent protection on the fly. It's like having complete control over your power supply unit at your fingertips. But what about when you're not pushing your system to the limit? Well, Corsair has thought of that too. The HX1500i comes with a 0 RPM fan mode. This means that at low and medium loads, the cooling fan switches off entirely, giving you near silent operation. Gaming in peace has never been this quiet. Now, let's talk about the form factor. The Corsair HX1500i is designed in the standard ATX form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of PC cases. It measures 7.87 by 5.91 by 3.39 inches and weighs approximately 2.4 kilograms. Efficiency is another standout feature. The HX1500i boasts exceptional 80+ platinum efficiency. This means you're getting power that's not only reliable but also energy efficient, saving you money on your electricity bill. When it comes to reliability, Corsair doesn't cut corners. They've incorporated Japanese 105°C rated electrolytic capacitors, ensuring long life and dependable performance. And to back their confidence, Corsair offers a solid 10-year warranty. Want to wake your computer faster and consume less power? The Corsair HX1500i supports modern standby sleep mode, giving you the best of both worlds: quick responsiveness and energy savings. To sum it up, the Corsair HX1500i from the HX11 series is a power supply unit that ticks all the boxes. It's fully modular, compatible with modern motherboards, has a quiet yet efficient cooling fan, offers complete software control, and boasts outstanding efficiency and reliability. That wraps up our review of the Corsair HX1500i from the HX11 series. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech reviews. And, as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Keep powering up your tech game, stay connected, and until next time, may your frames be high and your load times low. Goodbye.